Hello everyone, how are you all fine souls of this planet and universe? I am Ravi Naik, aka the Dream Hunter, with another video on my YouTube channel. In this video, I will just be the media of birth of curiosity about the existence of parallel universe in your mind. The curiosity that will lead you to some questions. So, without any further delay, let the curiosity begin. Today's main question is where this concept of parallel universe came from and why do we think about its existence. When we think about our universe, the first thought that comes to our mind is our universe unique? Well, from science fiction to science fact, there are concepts that suggest that there could be other universe beside our own, where all the choices you made in this life played out in an alternate reality. And this concept is known as the parallel universe. A parallel universe is a hypothetical self-contained plane of existence coexisting with one's own, and sum of all potential parallel universes that constitute reality is often called as multiverse. And the interesting thing is, multiple universe theory can follow the theory of quantum mechanics, how a subatomic particle behaves as a part of the theory. The consistency of quantum mechanics requires the existence of infinite number of universes parallel to our own universe. That means there has to be a person identical to you watching this identical video right now in a universe identical to ours. Further, there have to be an infinite number of universes and thus an infinite number of people identical to you in them. If you follow the law of probability, it suggests that for every outcome that could come from one of your decisions, there would be a range of universes, each of which saw one possible outcome from it. For example, suppose in one universe you may have visited some place and in another case you might have never been there. There are actually infinitely many parallel universes or cosmic patches exactly the same as ours, containing someone exactly like you, as well as patches that differ just by one particle position or two particle position and so on down to the patches that are totally different from ours. Now, the thing will get interesting as this is what I think about the parallel universe. Well, knowingly or unknowingly, we all might have thought about what these dreams are, right? Or why do we dream? Now, the thing will get interesting as this is what I think about the parallel universe. Well, knowingly or unknowingly, we all might have thought about what these dreams are, right? Or why do we dream? Now, let us divide these dreams into two categories. One is daydreaming and another one is dreaming while we are in sleep. Daydreaming is where we dream about achieving our goals, ambitions, or creating an artifact. Another kind of dreaming is when we are sleeping. These dreams are just the creation of our subconscious mind, which are created by our anxiety, fear of losing something, or joy of finding someone. Well, now you might have been thinking, what is its relation with parallel world, right? Well, I think everything and everyone in this universe is entangled in a giant loop, which also connects the parallel universe. I think these dreams are connection between infinite parallel worlds. Our mind is very powerful. I hope you all are familiar with the fact that an average human being uses only 10% of their mind. Our brain not only connects our nervous system but also connected with everything living or non-living thing in this universe and all those infinite number of parallel universe like the giant internet web. Now, think about our own dreams. Most of the places in our dreams are actually the creation of our subconscious mind, and most of the person you see are unknown to you. How is it possible to imagine someone who is unreal or never seen? Maybe we are looking into the memory of someone else without knowing about it. Yes, like an inception. Well, they are real. In fact, it is like watching a virtual reality movie. We humans think reality is just what we see, but what we imagine is also real. When we imagine something, we knowingly or unknowingly create an artificial universe or a parallel universe, which also has time, space, and gravity in it. Well, this was a short video about the parallel universe. I hope you all have liked this video. If you have, then do like, comment and subscribe, and also ring that bell icon to get the notification of my upcoming videos. Thank you.